Hi, if you have a Honeywell Aqua-Stat relay, I'm going to be replacing this model here. I got this at the Home Depot, and you can get them at other locations too, but going to show you real quick some of the real quick basics. First, shut off your power. You can do that by flipping the switch up by your stairs or wherever it may be, or just hit the breaker to make sure the power is disabled. That's really the most essential thing. You don't want to be working with live power. This cover comes off if it's not screwed in or elsewise. Otherwise, right there is a screw hole. Just kind of bend it back a little bit. This has been showing symptoms. It's been clicking on and off sometimes. I've noticed actually one quick hack, for me at least, that got me a few extra days, was by putting a screwdriver in here and actually bending this part. And I actually had a paint can here too, but it was pretty redneck, but it worked. I think there's a bad solder joint underneath somewhere, but by actually putting some pressure and putting it in a position like this, it was able to run. But anytime I put it back down, it would stop the clicking here of the relay. So anyway, that was a fix, temporary fix, not a very good fix, until I was able to go out and get this. So now that I have this, I'm going to carefully take this out and replace all the wires in the same position where they are now. So I'm literally just going to pull this out. It's going to have a little copper wire attached to it here, a sensor of sort. And I can just put it out here out of the way. And then I'll put the new one right on top of here. And my new one will have a similar copper wire with that device here, which will help it know when to come on and off. And it's just going to go right down in the hole and put all your wiring together, and of course at the very end put the power back on, and you'll be good. So very simple. This is around 200 bucks, give or take, to replace. But again, I just thought I'd share real briefly what it looks like. The model number, just if you want to verify you're getting the right one, is right here. And just be careful, of course, whenever you're working with electricity. If you don't know what you're doing, call a professional, which I am not. I'm just a homeowner. So there you go. Thank you for watching. I hope it's helpful.